I'm with, who are you? I'm with, who are you? What the, who are you? What's your name again? YouTube is... Whoa, subscribe to whatever that says. Today we Really? Okay, then let's play. Okay, then let's play. I'm the top highest. You should have did one next to me. Wait, there was. I'm a noob. I know some codes. I know some codes. Go to the gear button. Go to the gear button. Go to the gear button and put wax. And put wax. Bruh, did you hatch your egg yet? Yeah, you did. Wait, did you? I don't even know. I'm not even paying. I don't even know where you are. Oh, yeah, you did. And put wax. It gives you a bunch of stuff. I swear it does. So today he's going to be planning some quests. So am I. Come on. So yeah, this is Girl Ain't Your Mama. My mom. Yeah, true. He's brand new to this game. He, she, him, her. And put where? Today, you're going to do that bear's quest. Bear's stuff. Today you're going to do that bear's stuff. Do that bear's stuff. I'm recording. Wait. When did I don't remember getting 7,000 monies. Maybe it's a glitch. Whatever glitch it is, I like it. I'm recording. His head looks like a piece of... True. So what I'm going to be trying to do today is be doing this Black Bear's quest as well. You can see I'm going to have to do the cobweb sweeper. I hate you, Black Bear. Baby, I'm okay with you, 'cause you're always hitting like a clown. So we're going to be doing this Black Bear's quest. Girl Ain't Your Mama. She is he, she, whatever her gender is. He, says she's gender is. He, one day. He, she, I'm just going to call it he. Because it looks like one day. Anyways, we are going to be going up here at Why? First them, and now you? Bye. Say goodbye to your life. Anyways, we'll be collecting pollen. I don't know what I'm doing. Pretty much. And yes, this is the first episode of it. I've been playing it by myself a lot. That's how I reached this far. But I got my first legendary. Which is Shy Bee, who's all the way over there. You can see that? I can't zoom in on this game. I would if I could, but I can't. Oh lord. It's hard having friends in this game. Manda? Oh. Yas. Yas. I don't know what to do. Click the... Click the... for help. Okay, so you clearly can't do this. Okay, then. You may go now. You may go now. You may go now. You may go now. Oops, sorry. Do you think I broke it? No, I didn't. Good. Yes! You can go. You can go now. I just wanted to record a video. A normal video, but this person, well, I know it's my friend, but still, I don't care. You may go now. Did you actually? No, dang it. Okay, sorry if this is offensive, but I don't know if you're a female, male, female, male. You may go now. Anyways, I don't know. I don't know what to say. And oh, I can afford that big hive, but do I really want that hive? I forget I'm still recording, but do I really want that hive? Okay, guys, I'm gonna end it here. Tell me which one should I get. Should I get a weapon? Should I get a hive? Should I get what? Okay. Anyways, I will see you guys later. So, bye-bye, guys.